Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here an ancient kit. And this is your high grade 1/100 scale Gundam Maxter from Mobile Fighter G Gundam. And this is one of my favorite Gundam anime series. And this is made by Bandai. And Bandai. Why like that? You already neglect making Gundam G or G Gundam lines, although you did 1 and 1/44 scale of those Gundam, but you made it premium Bandai. Why like that? And you neglect doing 1/100 scale or the master grade. To be honest, this master Gundam here is best in master grade form. Believe me, I really like the proportion of this in 1/100 scale. But Bandai neglect making a master grade of it anymore. So do I need to plead to Bandai, to Japan? Kono Gandamu Matsuta no Mastu Goredo ban o Zehi Tsukute Kudasai. Please, Bandai. Or else I will ask the Chinese to make this kit. Do you want me to ask the Chinese? Xingwei Gauda Makusta Zuo Yiche Moshin Taojang Yinbei Riben Renbu Shihuan Zuo Shinde. Please, China, if Japan doesn't like to make master grade of this, you may do so. Again, Bandai, do you want the Arabs to request this for you? Yayabani min fadlikum bi amal Gundam Maxter Masto Gored. The Arabs are begging as well. Or even the Germans. I will ask the Germans to ask you, Bandai. Hola, Yabani. Bitte machen Sie einen Gundam Maxter Master Gerede. I hope Bandai will do a master grade model of this sooner or later. Anyway, let's review this very ancient kit. And I really like the appearance of this kit. This resembles the American flag, the pride of the Americans, and this Gundam Maxter represent America, and it's piloted by the American pilot Shibadi Crockett. So the appearance of this kit is really nice. I really like the appearance of this kit, except for the legs. The legs really hollow, but on the upper body is very buff and nicely looking. Okay, so I will remove first the shield. The shield here is one of its accessories, and in the anime, the shield acts as a hoverboard or surfboard for the Gundam Maxter. So this really represent all the American heritage, culture of the American. So the appearance of the Gundam Maxter looks like a rugby player. So this is the rugby uniform, and we got the mouth guard here. So it really or deeply resembles the rugby sport in America. And this is a boxing type Gundam. So boxing is also a sport prominent in America, in the US. And the guns in the G Gundam or the Mobile Fighter G Gundam, this is the only Gundam aside from the John Bull of New England. This is the only Gundam or the 5 protagonist Gundam that has a gun. A very American to wield this gun. Yep. And the surfboard or the hoverboard, so it represent the the skateboard or the surfboard, which is really prominent in America. So, yep. Surfboard. Football player that knows boxing but wield a gun and know how to surf. This is how the Gundam Maxter is all about. That's why I really like this kit. It's very versatile. I really like the representation that it made for America. Kudos G Gundam. And so let's go with the articulation of this kit. Even though I bought, by the way, even though I bought it last year, now I can sense the polycap degeneration on this kit, especially in the feet part. Sometimes it's loose and it tends to do the Michael Jackson moonwalk or Michael Jackson pose like that. Another American icon. And so this is the problem with this kit, the polycaps. But this is a blue Bandai already, the blue Bandai logo, by the way. Okay, let's go with the articulation. The head can rotate up to this manner. It can rotate 360 degrees. Yep. But I will not force it to do because I might loosen up the polycap. And what I don't like with this kit is the eyes. The eyes are really big. It's really wide. I get annoyed looking in the eyes of this kit because it's the only kit with large eyes like this. Supposed to be Gundam Maxter should have this a bit chinky eyes, not like this wide. Hi, so it's not that proportionate. Anyway, let's go with the shoulder. The shoulder can move like that, and it can rotate 360 degrees thanks to the loosening polycap. And the elbows can do up to this bend only. So it's a 90-degree bend, but be careful with that polycap there. It tends to loosen up, and I don't have any spare fit anymore. Okay, and we got this gloves. This is a boxing glove here, so you need to, it's like a knuckles, so you need to pull it first outward like that before you okay, it's very hard actually. So we need to pull this first like this, then yep, like that. Okay, before we can cover the whole fist. Okay, oops. So there, already did the knuckles. Oops. So again, the socket here is now loosening. By the way, the hands here is the old school trigger finger style hand with this three finger being clamped together like that. So this is the old school hands. Okay, so it can do close like this. So this is the knuckles, American knuckles, like that. And yep, the legs cannot do some. Actually, I'm very frustrated with this one because the legs are on a ball joint like that. The thighs are on ball joint, the hips, so it cannot do dynamic poses. So it can only bend like this, bend like that, yep, and do some jobs like that, like that. Okay, and the guns, by the way, are on the hips and it's attached on the thigh here, and can pull this handle here, and there we can retract this again. Okay, just be careful because the connector is a bit small, and I might break this up. And okay, here we go. We got the American cowboy, the Wild Wild West, very American, wielding guns, the gun capital of the world, and that's it. Okay, can now shoot the enemies. Pew, 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 pew. See, American football with a boxing glove or knuckles with a gun, and you can surf. Very American. Okay, so let's remove the gun now. And by the way, the legs here is very simple. Das ist ganz einfach. Very easy. And yep, it's like that only. The knees are very loose, and the feet are on the ball joint also. And the ankle guards, it's two plastic clumped together. Very simple. Very, very simple. I hope Bandai will make a one master grade of this in the future. So now if we're going to do the boxing gloves here, we need to remove this armor here, which is clamped on the shoulder. So this will act as your boxing glove. But unfortunately, I lost the chest piece. Supposed to be, this will be removed, and you will apply the yellow chest piece. So like that. Okay, so now we already detached the shoulder armor, which act as a glove as well. Actually, in the anime, it will fly like that. Then this chest piece here will fall down, and it will expose the yellow chest here, and with the abs there. Something like that. And of course there are boosters here. This will make the shoulder armor propel and go with the arms or the hands. So you want to attach this, you need to pull this handle down like that, and let the hands grab the handle. Okay, just like that. Then we will close this shaft here to make it secure, just like that. And of course it will be your they call this knuckles, your gloves, like this. Okay, so there you go, got the gloves now, and let's attach it here. Also remove first this one, and do the same thing. Okay, have the Gundam Maxter, hold it like that. Oops. It's a bit tight, and close like that, or make it like this, like uppercut pose, and that's it. So ready to, oops, why like that? Keeps on falling. إشهادة لازم امسك كويس كده. Okay, So there we got this Gundam Maxter, but unfortunately I don't have the yellow piece here, so I might return this piece here because it looks funny. And so like this, we have this pose like this, like that. And so let's get the Shining Gundam. So I got here the Shining Gundam Master Grade. Good thing we got the Master Grade of this. And so this is the Octagon, and let them fight each other. Gundam fight! Ready, go! Bam! Like that. Remove this, and there they go. They're fighting now. Bam. Very nice. Shining Gundam versus Gundam Maxter. Thank you so much for watching this review of the high grade 1/100 scale Gundam Maxter. And again, I want to greet all my Chinese friends and beg for them to make a model kit of this. 身为高德 Maxter 是我一直模型讨论，因为日本人不喜欢是我新的。This Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying, God bless, take care, and goodbye, sayonara, masalama, auf Wiedersehen, paalam sa inyong lahat. Thank you, shukran, sheshe, dankeschön, and salamat. Paalam.